The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O, the R, the K. Look yourself in the face. Look yourself in the mirror. Ask yourself, are you giving 120% every day? Every play? Give me 120 or don't give me nothing at all. The guy you competing against, you haven't outworked him. You've not outworked the person next to you. You've not out-hustled them. You've not out-grind them. You've not outdone them. You're not locked in. Bring all your passion. Bring heart. Every single game, every single play. Put forth 120% or don't ask nobody to do nothing to you. The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O.
What's up? What's going on? Good morning. Happy Wednesday to all my DJs out there. I hope y'all are ready for the day. I hope y'all are up, ready to get after it, ready to do your thing, ready to make some money, ready to get in this market, ready to look forward towards what's coming. To all my DJs out there, man, let's wake up in the morning. Let's do this thing. Let's figure out where this thing is moving. Let's figure out where this thing is headed. Yo, it's a good day. It's a good day. It's Wednesday. It's a great day, man. Grab your coffee, sit back. Let's have a chat. Let's chill the hell out, and let's look and see what the hell's going on in these markets, man. Whole bunch of stuff popping off lately, man. We got Trudeau stepping down in Canada. Yo, we had the jobs report come out better than what's expected, so it bombed the market. You know, unfortunately, you know, when people start hiring, that means that the markets go down because that rate cut, you don't need it. So expect a pause, man, and that's what killed the markets yesterday. We'll get into a little bit of that. We got Trudeau stepping down, got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Got an XRP, well, I don't want to say XRP, RUSD, Chainlink collaboration going on. Been trying to tell you guys forever that Chainlink and Ripple were not in competition with each other. They're in two separate arenas in crypto, and everybody tried to put them against each other, and now they got a partnership going on. We'll get into a little bit of that. We got NVIDIA stepping back 6% yesterday and looking to rebound today. Yo, everything is good. Everything is good, y'all. Everything is good, man. People got to just sit back and chill out, man. Everything is good. This market is good, man. And it's Wednesday, baby. It's Wednesday. We early. Yo, who's hanging out with us this morning? See my man Selmo in the building. See my man Heat in the building. Good morning to my man Selmo. That's right, Selmo. Look yourself in the mirror, man. Ask yourself, are you buying the dip or you crying about the dip? Yo, what's up, Heat? What's up, baby? What's going on, man? What's going on over there in Canada with Trudeau and everybody stepping down, man? You know what I'm saying? Like rocking the Canadian exchanges over there. Come on, man. Fix the sir. What's up? Who else we got up in the building today, man? My man Dragon Rider up in the building. What's up, Dragon Rider? What's up, baby? What's up, man? Crypto Confident up in the building. What's going on, brother? What's going on? Good morning to y'all. Good morning. Well, what's up to all the DJs in the building, man? Yo, we about to DJ into this thing today. I gotta wait, brother. No more chips, baby. Come on, man. You got a DCA into this market. My man Ken, good morning, good early afternoon to you, my brother. What's up? The junior. What's going on, brother? What's going on, man? The junior's up in the building doing his thing, man. Doing his thing over there. Um, over there on X, posting away, posting away. What's up, the junior? The junior. But yo, Ken, what's up, dog? What's going on with you, man? Uh, Try to figure out what y'all getting into this morning. Let's go ahead, man. Let's get into this thing, man. Let's get into this thing. So the Asian markets, man, they left us somewhat decent. They kind of took a shitter actually, to tell you the truth. But you know, clicked on the wrong button there. Let's get back. Asian markets, they just kind of took a shitter. Tell you the truth. European markets over there, yo, Ken, quit dumping the markets, dog. Quit dumping the markets over there in Europe. They woke up. They didn't start trading too well either. But yo, the United States markets, where we at? Where we at? We're going into the trading hours here. Where we at? Not looking too bad. Mixed bag of tricks here. Uh, looks like we got the Dow in green. Looks like the Nasdaq's in green. But it looks like the S&P 500 gonna start out in red a little bit. Not too bad though. Not too bad. Not too bad. We'll take it. We got Nvidia took a 6% step back yesterday, but it looks like right now it's at 140.14 in the aftermarket trading. Looks like 140.14. Not too bad. Not too bad. We'll take that, given the fact that we're buying at $100. You know, if you were here on this channel, you were buying at $100. So, that's that. You'll take that. You'll take that money. Um, but here's what dumped the markets yesterday, guys. Uh, you got your bond rates, right? Look at the bond rates are all in green, right? This is where the debt sits, right? So the bond rates are going up because the interest rates probably are not going to go down, which means, this debt is going to get more and more expensive, right? So as this debt gets more and more expensive, the markets dump a little bit, right? So here we go, right? So, this is the deal. This is what's going on, and in order for these the United States to pay off their debt, they gotta basically sell these treasuries, right? Sell these treasuries, and people ain't willing to buy these treasury bonds anymore, other countries, because they just own too much of the American debt. So in order to make it more attractive for these other countries to buy the United States debt, they have to raise the interest rates on these treasury bonds, and get people to go ahead and buy them, right? So this is the deal. This is what's going on, and this is why the markets tanked yesterday. These bond rates go up, your markets go down. It's just that simple, and that's just how it is. And we got trillions of dollars that we have to get rid of here in the United States. They have to sell these bonds. Them interest rates go up, man, like that on them bonds. Markets are about to just freaking tank. Look at the S&P flipping green. Just as we're talking, we're moving the market, baby. We up this morning. We moving the market, man. Come on. We moving this market. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Flip back to red. Shit, yeah, we moving the market. We moving it the wrong way. But yeah, Nvidia is doing this thing over here. Look close. Yesterday, 149. So it's down, but we're gonna take that. We're gonna take that. Where is our ETF flows, right? You look at the Bitcoin ETFs. Looks like it's a plus 52.4 million. That's down about $100 million since we streamed on Monday. The inflows there. You look at the Ethereum ETFs. They're down about 86.8 million. Yo, these ETFs are selling the shit out of Ethereum, man. They are dumping Ethereum like crazy, man. They're killing it, man. Marbit staking. Okay, let's go, Marbits. Let's go. I'm not staking my tokens. I don't stake tokens, especially in the bull run. I don't stake tokens. That's not what I do, especially when we're in the bull run, because I got to have access to my shit in case that thing goes on a ride, and I got to take some profits. So I have to have access to my stuff. I got caught up with some crow staking last bull run and missed about 75% of my money. I ain't doing that same thing again. I'll stake during the fair market. When we get to the bull, I ain't staking nothing. I ain't staking nothing because I got to make that cash, baby. So, but these Ethereum ETFs, man, they are selling the hell out of these things, man. But you look at it, BlackRock's leading the way with the Bitcoin ETFs as always. As always, you know, they're flowing. Uh, but these Ethereum ETFs, man, they are dumping. They're dumping hard, man. You look at these outflows. Grayscale is selling the shit out of Ethereum. They are selling it. Franklin Templeton, they are selling the hell out of their Ethereum ETFs, pushing the Ethereum price down a little bit further than the rest of the market. Bitcoin, I mean, you see, he lost about 100 mil. Lost about 100 mil in 2 days out of these ETFs. I own Marbits, man. I own a lot of Marbits. Crypto Confident, man. I think that project's gonna go. I think that project's gonna do its thing. It's just a matter of time for Marbits. So I think it's gonna roll. I tell you, we'll get into Marbits a little bit later. We'll look at the chart, but I don't really pay too much attention to my Marbits bags. Just kind of waiting for that thing, to roll through. XRP is moving. Yeah, XRP is gonna move today. XRP is gonna move today. So yeah, well, let's go ahead. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, see what's going on over there. Well, hold on. First of all, let's go ahead and have a look here. You know, everybody was trying to say that XRP and Chainlink were competing with each other, and I tried to tell you guys a long time ago, these guys are in two separate lanes. They're trying to do two separate things. Quit pitching them against each other, right? Because they're not trying to do the same thing. So just stop with the nonsense, right? And here you have RUSD, Ripple stablecoin, linking up with Chainlink for Chainlink's data, right? And that's what Chainlink does, right? XRP provides the liquidity, Chainlink provides the interoperability, and they provide the data, right? So you got Chainlink and is going to provide the data for Ripple stablecoin, right? So these two have actually teamed up to work together, right? Which is a good thing, and it blows up into the face of all of these people that were out here that doesn't know what the hell they're talking about Chainlink and Ripple competing with each other. This is not a competition. They're not doing the same thing. So everybody that was talking that shit about Chainlink and Ripple competing with each other, well, there you go. Nothing more needs to be said. You're an idiot. You don't know what you're talking about. So we can stop that nonsense right now. So take your money, go invest in both of them projects, and go make some money, and quit falling with the craziness that people want to put out here, in the fake news that people want to put out here, that you know, these guys are competing with each other. They never were competing with each other ever, never ever. And I try to tell you guys that when Chainlink was at $8 and we were buying it, I was telling you guys that. So just stop with the nonsense. Go buy both projects and go make some money. And quit being fanboys and girls. Market cap of crypto sitting at $3.35 trillion. Definitely down from the 3.52 we were at before. Obviously with the market cap being down, the volume is going to be down. Looking at the fear and greed index going back to neutral, but look at the dominance is still staying the same at 56.7. Actually, it's growing, which lets you know that we're not in full altcoin season yet. I try to tell you guys that we weren't in full altcoin season yet. We're still in Bitcoin season, and we're gonna be there for a minute. I think we're, at least the first quarter of this year, we're gonna be there. We'll be in Bitcoin season, and it's all good, and I'm okay with it. I'm all right with it, and it just gives everybody the ability to go ahead and pump their bags up a little bit. That's all. So we look at this volume on these layer one exchanges. Let's see where the money's flowing. Right, the money's flowing right now into Solana. As always, Solana's doing crazy volume over here, doing the most volume, with Ethereum doing the second most volume. But look at that, minus 3.7% on weekly on the weekly change, right? And then you look at Binance, it's third, but it's down 22.9% on the weekly volume. So even though these blockchains like Ethereum and Binance are sitting here 2 and 3, they're actually losing volume, right? They're actually losing volume. You come over here to Base is up 12.5% on the week, so they're gaining volume, right? They're gaining it going up the ladder here. You got Arbitron sitting here, down 8.9%. But look at Sui. Look at Sway. Look at Sway's volume. I keep trying to tell you guys about this project, Sway, this blockchain right here, and how I think that this thing's going to be a major mover. Look at the volume. It's up 32.8% in a week, sitting at number 6, right? This thing's up 32% in volume. This thing is killing it right now. So, and I told you guys about Hype, and here's Hyperliquid's volume, right? It's down 18.2%, but look at where it's at. It's sitting at number 7. Brand new project right here, right? So look at these volumes, but look at Sway. Sway is killing this volume right now. So, Solana's doing its thing at 45%. Solana's always going to do its thing when it comes to volume, because it's pushing a crap ton of memes through there. Pump.fun is where the majority of this volume right here is coming from. But when you look at it, look at Sway. Sway is killing this volume right now. So you got to expect some major uptrends in that price action with Sway, with that volume that's coming through there. And where are we at as far as Sway's price right now? Yesterday got up to like $5 and some change. Definitely dipped down with the rest of the market. But let's see where we're at. I bet you we're around 450, somewhere up in there. 450, 459. So definitely looks like it's starting to come back this hour, right? Definitely looks like it's starting to come back this hour. Where's XRP sitting at right now? 232. Coming back over the hour, up about 0.5%. Junior, I wouldn't say that that's pumping, but it's definitely coming up. Not a pump. That's a mini blip, but definitely starting to come up a little bit. I think the overall market will start to rebound today. The tech stocks are starting to rebound a little bit today. So I think that the market itself in general will definitely start to rebound. So, when we talk about this market in general, here's why the market crashed, right? Well, the market crashed. It was pretty simple. The jobs data came out. It definitely said to the markets that, we're probably not going to get the rate cuts that everybody thinks we are. Jobs data looks good. There's no reason for us to continue to cut rates here in the United States. And this really ticked up the bond volume when that came out, the interest rates on the bonds. And when that happens, everything else crashes. That's why cryptos crash. People want risk off. Crypto's a risky asset. People want risk off, and boom, there you go. You got what you got. You got a little pullback, but it's just a little pullback. Everybody's going crazy. But when you come over here, let's say you pull the Bitcoin chart on a daily, right? You pull the Bitcoin chart on a daily. we only went back a day. You know, we only pulled back a day or two. That's it. That's it. Uh, moving. Okay, you said moving. Yeah, it's moving. It's moving up. Uh, Timsky, what's up, my brother? What's up? What's up, my what's up? How are you? How are you? Coming in with all the DJs in the building. But we only pulled back a day when it came to Bitcoin. You know, everybody's going crazy. You pulled back a day, and I always said, you know, if we closed above 100,000, that I thought that we would take off. And we closed above 100,000. We didn't really make a big move to the upside, but it's because of that data. If we could have closed a day or two ahead of a day or two above 100K, you would have seen this market really, really move. But this market's gonna move, man. Everybody just gotta chill for a minute. I'm buying the dip, man. I'm buying the dip. You know, it's just is what it is. Come over here and we'll look at the total three chart. This is the chart minus Bitcoin, minus Ethereum. Rest of your altcoins sitting at $70.07 billion. I told you guys, remember we were just looking at this chart a couple weeks ago. We're up at the $1 trillion mark. This is where we need to be. Well, 970 billion. My bad. But this is where we need to be. We need to be up above that trillion. I keep telling you guys it's that one trillion mark, that when these altcoins get above this total three chart gets above that 1 trillion mark, your altcoins usually all start to run up, and we're below that, so don't expect a run. It's that simple. People are starting to stable coin up. When you come over here to the USD chart, you can kind of see that. People are starting to stable up. This thing USDT's been up in green for the past 2 days. People are really starting to stable coin up. And you see more money start to flow into the USD chart. So, it is what it is, and it's kind of where we are in the market. But this total three, until this thing gets above a trillion, you're in the buy zone, right? You're in the buy zone for all of your altcoins. You're definitely in that buy zone. So, and that's all good, man. It's kind of where you want to be. You want to be in the buy zone right now, because you want to start accumulating. We're still buying, right? We're still buying. So XRP, like I said, sitting at 232. If it gets down to 225, I'll probably buy some more, but not until then. I'm pretty good there. But during this downturn, I do the same thing that I've always done with you guys. So always tell you, short in your bags. DCA down into 2 or 3 projects, short in your bags, and only concentrate on them. Only concentrate on them bags, and move forward after that. But so I shortened my bag starting yesterday. DCA down into a couple projects. I bought more Sway. I bought more IMX because I believe I'm good on Chainlink. I believe I'm good on XLM. I believe I'm good on XRP. I believe I'm good on AVAX. I believe I'm good on Tron. These projects that we were buying the whole bear market. But I did increase my bag here of Sway, and I increased my bag of IMX. So definitely looking to move up on them. And then with the altcoins that I increased, we'll get to some of the meme coins that I increased this here in a second. I believe I own enough Pepe. I believe I own enough Bonk. And I did buy a little bit more of HBAR when it got down to 28 cents. If this thing goes down to 26 cents, I'll go ahead and look to buy some more. But HBAR definitely took a step backwards this overnight, going from 29 to 27, 25. I'll buy some more. Buy some more, baby. Just buy some more. I believe I'm good on Polkadot too, but this price is starting to look juicy. $6.88. This price is starting to look real juicy for me to add to this bag right here. Maybe $6.60 or $6 somewhere up in there. If it drops that far, I might add some more, but that price is looking juicy to add, boy. Juicy, juicy, juicy to start throwing some more money there. Pepe, I'm good on Pepe. We're like up on Pepe. We're buying at 5 zeros. So it's sitting at 4 zeros, 1 8. Doesn't make a lot of sense to go ahead and throw some money in there. Hype, and this price is looking good here at 21. Man, this is like a $10 drop from when we first started to look at it. So price is looking good there for Hype. I'm gonna take a drink on that one because I might buy some more of that. That might be when we get off stream. That might be the one. Uh, that might be the one. We'll see. We'll see what's up. Um, see what's up. Polygon's looking decent. It's holding on. I told you guys 30 cents was the floor. That's kind of where we went in. Where we went back in. You can't have enough crow. I think I have enough crow. I think I do. I'm not looking to add right now. I think I have enough. Uh, I think I'm good. I mean, you got to get to a point where you look at it and you go, okay, where else, where else, where else can I increase my holdings at the prices that we're at right now? And I tell you, it's just what I'm saying, and I'm not telling you guys what to buy, what not to buy, but I'll just tell you guys during these dips, make sure you consolidate in your back. Don't try to DCA into everything. Pick two or three and really try to concentrate on them. Uh, Volt, um, we can take a look at Volt here in a minute. I think Volt's going to do okay in this bull run, but I do think that if Volt don't perform in this bull run, and I said this before, if Volt don't perform in this bull run, it's a dead issue. It's a dead issue. Crow is a bit of a sleeper, Timsky. I like Crow. I like Crow a lot. I think sitting right here at Crow at 14 cents, and call it 15 cents, is kind of where it likes to hang out. I mean, obviously it dipped with the rest of the market. A 10x on that is only $1.50. So I think Crow. I do think Crow is a sleeping giant here, but I think when they start to release their trading stocks and starting to compete with Robinhood and things like that, or trying to compete with Robinhood. I don't think they're going to get the volume that Robinhood gets, but I do think that it will increase their volume. The only thing that scares me a little bit about Crow, and I've said it here before, isn't the team, right? It's not the team. It's not the exchange. It's not what they're trying to do. It's the Kronos chain. Um, you know, and this token is directly connected to the Kronos chain, right? So the Kronos chain is just not performing that well. I think it will pump though. I think a 10x is easy. That's an easy call to $1.50. That's an easy call. That's easy. But I do think that Crow is a sleeping giant. I think that Crow's just kind of waiting for its move to the upside. I think it's gonna be fine. I think it's gonna be fine. They need some catalyst over there on the Kronos chain though. If Crypto.com really wanted to pump the Kronos chain, they would do what Solana did, right? Solana, make no doubt, Solana's behind Bonk, right? Call it what you want. The dev team, they either know them or they're part of them or whatever. However that insider stuff is going, and I don't really care. Um, but they pumped the hell out of it, which brought meme coins over to Solana like crazy. If Crypto.com really wanted to pump the Kronos chain, they would send a couple tokens to astronomical heights, and it would bring people. It would bring the FOMO over there. You know, so when they do that, you'll see the Chronos chain take off. You know what I'm saying? So Crow with knife, yeah, that's one of their bigger projects over there. Yeah, Timsky minimum 10x. I think Crow's a minimum 10x. I think it'll do better. I think like one thing Crypto.com does well is they advertise. They know how to market. They definitely know how to market, and they'll market the hell out of this. But their Chronos chain has to move. That's the beginning, middle, and end. If you want to see this thing get to 100x, if you want to see this thing really start to move to a 20x or something like that, then Crypto.com has to move their chain. They have to move their blockchain. A 10x, they're going to get to a 10x just off of advertisement. But anything higher than that, they have to move their chain. So, which I think they will. Right here, guys. Virtual. I haven't been buying virtual on this dip because I was buying it at $2 and some change before. So, but virtual is a project here that I think is gonna absolutely start to kill it. It's sitting at number 40 right now. Again, first bull run, right? First bull run for virtual. You'll notice that the projects that I own the most of, or I shouldn't say that I own the most of, that I'm the highest on, they're first bull run movers, right? They're first bull run movers. Like they haven't been through this bull run before. So we'll see. We'll see where they go. But I think virtual is gonna, that launch pad over there is it's gonna move. It's gonna move. Bonk. It suffered the market. It's down with the market, but it is what it is. We're good on Bonk. But right here, IMX. I added a lot more to my IMX bag during this pullback. Probably add a little bit more as this price starts to come down a little bit. IMX was moving, and then it got hit with that Wells notice. It came down to $1. Told you guys at $1 I was starting to invest in it. I didn't think that the Wells notice from the SEC was going to go anywhere, but it did have a big, huge negative impact on the price. And I think as people start to figure out the new administrations coming in, the SEC chairs leaving, and all that stuff, that Wells notice will go bye, just like the XRP case, and IMX will move again. Jasmy sitting here at 33 at 3 cents at 3.3 definitely took a pullback, but remember, guys, we sat at this 3.2 level forever and couldn't break it, and it hasn't dropped below that. So definitely that's showing a lot of strength in Jasmy. So I like where Jasmy is. Don't need to buy any more Jasmy. I think I'm good where I'm at, and we'll let it roll. We're 10x. We're 10x right now, up on Jasmy. If you were buying, we were buying at 2033, somewhere up in there. You're still sitting on a 10x right now, so you should be good. XDC went on a nice little ride up to 9 cents. So definitely pulled back a little bit, but I'm high on the triple X's. I'm high on XRP, I'm high on XLM, and I'm high on XDC. I think that these guys are going to all make major moves during this bull market. I think you should own all three of them. I don't think that they're going to flip Robinhood. I think that they're going to compete with Robinhood. That's what they're trying to do. Robinhood, I don't know if they'll flip them, but I think that they'll compete. Which, if they compete, it's going to pump the price. It's going to pump the price. I think that they definitely will compete with Robinhood, Crypto.com. They're going to advertise. They're going to advertise the hell out of Crow. And especially when they start pushing these stocks out here, they're really going to put that push on. They're really going to advertise. They're going to onboard a whole bunch of new users. Will they flip Robinhood? I don't know. Robinhood has really taken off in the last month. If you come over here and you look at their stock, it's going to be hard to flip them because since they started to add more and more crypto and they started to upgrade their interface, um, someone knows about that new interface. And since they started to upgrade uh, their interface, their stock has freaking jumped from 20 something dollars up to $40. Well, $40.50 a close yesterday. Looks like it's $39.60 right now. If it was to open, this thing has absolutely been on a monster run. If you just pull it back. Um, let's see, over 3 months, you can see where they had their hood event and they started to release their new interfaces and things like that, and that stock just took off. So it's gonna be hard to catch Robinhood, but I think that they'll compete with Robinhood. Robinhood has really started to upgrade their cryptocurrency, which has brought in a ton of money, and they upgraded their trading interface for for the computer. And I'll tell you right now, they have the best. Robinhood has the best trading interface that I've seen on any exchange, crypto exchange, uh, regular stock trading interface. I've never seen anything like what Robinhood has put out for a user interface, and that thing is just absolutely phenomenal. Yo, have a good one, Junior, man. Go make that paper, man. Go make that paper. Yeah, I agree. I agree, Summer. I think this year's Super Bowl, you're going to see Kronos all over the place. You're going to see them all over the place. They're going to be advertising like crazy. Uh, they're going to be advertising like crazy. I think with the Super Bowl ads being back, they're going to be advertising like, and they're going to get it. Like I said, they advertise, right? They advertise, and they know how to market. That's one thing Crypto.com knows how to do is advertise. But to flip Robinhood with that new stuff that Robinhood came out with, that's gonna be a tough challenge. 3-4 months ago, I would have said, yeah, they got a chance. But be realistic about the situation. Robinhood upgraded their platform, and they're blowing everybody out of the water right now. When it comes to ease of use and ease of trade, they're killing everybody right now. If you haven't checked out Robinhood's new interface called Legend on the computer, go check it out. Go check it out. That's all I can say to you. On the daily, looking at these bubbles, they're fucking bleeding. It's a bloodbath right now. But this is opportunity, buying opportunity. Look at the hour though. Look at us starting to turn this thing around this morning, right? So look, you got the news yesterday, right? You got the news yesterday, and the CFTC chair here in the United States, the commodities chair is stepping down on January 20th, the same day that Gensler stepping down. That was some other news that came through yesterday. That's huge for crypto. I think it's the biggest crypto news out there right now because we know that Bitcoin's a commodity, right? So it's and Ethereum's a commodity, and they're trying to get the majority of cryptocurrency to be a commodity. So a lot of the new cryptocurrency regulations and things like that will come out of the commodity part of the government. And if that happens, then the person that's the commodity chair, the head of the commodities exchange is going to be the ones that really start to push these cryptocurrency regulations. So whoever sits in that seat is going to be probably more powerful than what Gensler was. Good morning, Cabal. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Till they halt trading. Eh. The people live off of what happened with GameStop and everybody else, but I think, in my opinion, Timsky, we're beyond that. I'm beyond that. You pay 230. 230 is good for XRP, man. Congratulations for getting in. Congratulations for getting in. I think XRP, you're up. If you got in at 230, it's sitting at 233 right now. You're up. 250. This thing really likes to go up to 250, and once it breaks that 250 mark, you're gonna see a $3 XRP coming in pretty quick. I think at the top of the bull run, you're probably looking at least a $10 XRP. Somo, I'm with you. We're probably gonna see a 10 to $15 XRP, incoming pretty soon. But you look at this hourly, do you look at these hourly bubbles? You see that the market's starting to move a little bit. Look at XRP sitting up 1.2%. Junior, we looked at this Junior's at work, but when we looked at this, it was only up 0.5%, came up 1.2%. So definitely on the move to the upside right now. Within the hour. So I'd like to see that. But yeah, the triple X's are kind of where it's at right now, right? XLM, XRP, XDC. Look at XLM sitting at 43 cents right now. This thing got up to 45 cents yesterday. 45 cents yesterday. Went on a nice ride, before the pullback yesterday. So definitely got a lot going on. Look at virtual up again. Like I told you guys, I'm high on this project, sitting at $3.46. This thing was as high as $4.20 yesterday. I think that project's going to move. I think it's going to do some things over there. I tell you, I think the two biggest projects on a base chain are going to be Virtual and Airdrone Finance. I think them are going to be the two biggest plays on base, when it comes to this bull run. So like that, I like them both. I own them both. I like them both. If you want to buy $50 in XRP, I would I'd kind of wait to see where this market goes a little bit. You bought at $2.30, you said. So if you're buying 50, you're right there, right around your average. So I would wait to see if it dumps down a little bit below that $2.30, and buy some more. I wouldn't buy up. I'd buy down. I'd buy down. I'd wait for it to come below the price that you bought it the first time, and then average your way down, not up. Oh man, you're gonna ask me for his name. I had his name. I had his name. I forget his name, but he's definitely pro crypto. Um, he's pro crypto. He's been around the Trump administration for a little while, and I forget his name. Uh, and then, but the CFTC chair is the one that stepped down yesterday. Selmo, and that's the one. That's the one that I think is the biggest. Is the biggest. Is the biggest news. Uh, that's coming. That's coming in. We got to see who's going to replace him. He stepped down yesterday. Paul Akins. That's the name. Paul Akins. That's who's gonna. That's who's going to replace Gary Gensler. Selmo. That's Paul Akins. That's the name. I think a better prediction for XRP without going too crazy is probably going to be between $10 and $15. Could hit 20, but I think a better prediction is probably between 10 and 15, which is a great gain right here. I mean, if you look at it, if you just put, if you put in here at $2 and so look at it already dropped below your average cost, $2.32. So you're already below your average. But if you look at it right here, just this thing going to $5 and double your money. $6, let's call it $6. $6, you double your money. And getting 2x on your money is not a bad deal. Getting 2x on your money is not a bad deal. But Selmo, so it's Paul Akins. Yeah, but the CFTC chair is probably the biggest news in crypto that only a couple people are talking about. That's where the majority of your regulations are going to come from when it comes to crypto, because everybody's pushing for crypto to be a commodity, right? And this guy, the person that takes over this chair, is probably going to have the most say, in crypto. Bitcoin's rarity is what makes this price go, is which is going to make this price go crazy. It's rarity. Like there's a set supply of Bitcoin that'll ever be released, and it'll that's it. Once it's gone, it's gone. Oh, we're starting to fill in a little red here. The this AI 16 over here on Solana 176. This thing was moving the other day. This thing was definitely moving the other day. Um, I want to look at something here. We looked at this one yesterday. On Wednesday with we looked at this one 140 141. This SPX uh, XPX 6900. I kind of took a long on this at a 3x leverage. Obviously, I'm still good because I took it at 160, about $1.60, 3x leverage on this. So we're still good here, but definitely on a negative side of that trade. But with only 3x leverage, I have a lot of room. So I like this SPX XPX 6900 to really do some damage here. But yeah, looks like we're headed down. Looks like this market's headed down. 95 looks like we might drop to 94,000 on Bitcoin. We may drop down to 3,002, around 3,200, in the high 3,200s, yeah, on Ethereum. We may be this market may be coming down, man. You may see another $2.25 XRP today, like we did yesterday. Looks like this market's losing some steam right now. We went through why the market's losing steam, but yeah, it definitely looks like the market's losing some steam this morning. Looks like another buying opportunity. Kiki, this is a project I got into over there on the Solana chain. I told you guys on Wednesday that I thought that there would be a decent Solana project that was coming out, and if it looked decent, that I would put it on my X post. I did. This one ran up to about 2 million. It started to fall down. This is the hourly chart. Started to fall down a little bit with the market, but it looks like they're holding this thing around 700,000 right now. So I don't know. I'm still in there. I bought some more this morning, right around the even 700,000 mark. So I bought a little bit more this morning, just because I like this 1.78K holder count in the 24-hour volume. Is $1.3 million of trading volume. So I like that. I think that this thing's going to be here for a minute. We'll see where it goes, but I think that this one might be a strong play over here on the Solana network. This Kiki, it's got a good vibe to it. So we'll see where it goes. Definitely took a step back with the rest of the market. So we'll see. Let's see who's winning here today. Crash is winning today. I don't know if this is much of a win. Sitting at 2.4 million. Definitely starting. I look at this more of a rebound rather than a win, right? More of a rebound rather than a win. It may not be a week. It may really be. It may not be a week before the market starts to bounce back. The crypto market, like really went down within a 24-hour period. It could really come back within a 24-hour period, right? But you're probably looking, today's Wednesday. You may really be looking at like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday comeback. You could see Bitcoin dip back a little bit more. When we look at Bitcoin over here, let's kind of look at it a little bit. What was it yesterday? We gave back all the gains we made in 24 hours yesterday. Where are we at now? Bitcoin definitely could come down to 93,000. There's a crap ton of liquidity sitting right here at around 93K. Definitely could come down to 93,000. There's a lot of liquidity sitting here. And that could happen. That could happen within the next couple hours if you don't get a turnaround here. Think it'll bounce off of this. If it comes down to 93,000 though, with all this liquidity, I think it'll bounce off of it. What's up, Elmos in the building? What's up, man? Oh, there's my man Fairground right there. We were just talking about you yesterday, man. I thought you lost all your money, man. And you were like gone somewhere, man. We was worried about you, Fairground. We was worried about you. Would I buy Bitcoin now? No. I wouldn't buy it if you were just in it for the short term. If I was new right now and I was gonna buy, I wouldn't buy Bitcoin. It's too high. I wouldn't buy Bitcoin. It's too high. I wouldn't buy Ethereum's underperformed the market so bad. I definitely would have some XRP. I would be concentrated more in tokens between 4 and probably 4 and 12. Uh, I think Sway here at 450 is a great buy. I think Sway at 450 is a better buy than Bitcoin at 95,000 for the short term. I think Tron at 25 cents is a better buy than Bitcoin or Ethereum sitting where they are. I think AVAX anywhere under $40 is a better buy than the Bitcoin or Ethereum sitting where they are now. And that's just the truth. So if I was going to put my money into anything right now, if I didn't own a lot of crypto and I was just going to come in and put my money in something, I'd be putting some money in XRP. I'd be putting some money in Solana. I'd be putting some money in Sway. And I'd be putting some money in Tron. And I'd be putting some money in XLM and XDC. That's where I would concentrate my money at right now. If I was going straight blue chips and I was new here, that's where I'd be concentrating my money at. Yo, Fairground back, baby. We was worried about you on Monday, man. We was worried about you. I was like, yo, where the hell is Fairground at? Yo, man, I understand, man. I get it, man. Life gets busy, man. But I said, yo, anybody check on Fairground? Yo, it's like, is he good? Is he okay? like I hope we didn't get wrecked out here. But yo, that's where I'd put my money at. If I had to put my money in something right now, it would be that. It wouldn't be Bitcoin. It wouldn't be Ethereum. Ethereum's just underperformed the market so much, and in Bitcoins, if you're not going to hold it for the next 4 or 5 years, then it's probably not a good buy. Yo, Davey, Selmo, Davey is holding on in this market. 48.42 mil. Yo, it's holding strong. So one thing I noticed this morning, Selmo, as I was looking through this DeFi chart over here, right? My DeFi projects, I was like, yo, Davey is holding on, man. Definitely was a good call on that. It's a crap year. It's a crap year so far. Come on, Fairbanks. Fairground. We're just starting, man. We're just starting. Yes, welcome, Chloe. Welcome, Chloe. Everybody, welcome him or her to the channel. Always love the questions. Always love the new people that are coming in asking the questions. Don't ever be scared to ask a question on this channel, because if I don't answer it for you, somebody in the chat will. So definitely love the new people. Never be scared. Marbits, where is my man 2-Bit at? Where the hell is 2-Bit over here with this Marbits, man? We are sitting at 702K right now. Trying to hold on to 700K. Trying to hold on, man. Market's not treating him well, but it looks like he's doing okay on the hour over here, Marbits. So see what's happening. A lot of people will love staking when it comes out, but not me. But a lot of people do like that. So, have at it, y'all. But yo, I think Marbits needs to get above a mil. It needs to be above a mil. It needs to stay above a mil. This project has millions written all over it. But for some reason, it keeps getting dragged. Every time it hits the mil, it keeps getting dragged down. And, people need to quit dumping at $1 million, man. You know, that's the bottom line. You know, to be completely honest with you, people just need to quit dumping at $1 million, man. Uh, just don't ask. Just don't ask about MMA. Oh yeah, true story, man. True story. Uh, it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, it's all good, man. Fairground, we're all good, man. I was worried about you, man. There's my boy Ken. There's my boy Ken. Not me. Not me either. Yeah, Ken. We ain't staking nothing on this channel, man. We ain't staking shit, man. But yeah, I, yo, Selmo, man. I gotta tell you, man, Davey, man, that project, man, looks really, really freaking solid, man. Sitting at 48.58 mil. That project looks good, man. Look at it hold on during a downturn. Look at it hold on, man. Not a lot of projects can hold on like that. You know, uh, good call. Good call, man. Good call. Uh, this is one that I've been buying up during the dip. Brian, been buying more Brian during the dip here. You can see it over the hour, just kind of trading in this 2.9 million to 2.8 million dollar range right here. So I've been buying Brian, you know, off and on, just because I think Brian's gonna do well here. And again, like Davey, look at it, hang on during the market downturn. Just look at the strength and watch it hold on right where it is, and that's what you want to see. Man, I'm not staking anything during the bull run. I can tell you that right now. Bear market, you know, I might stake a little something, maybe some Ethereum or something like that. During the bull run, I ain't staking a damn thing, and that's just me getting burnt with Crow. You know, staking Crow and watching Crow run up and my staking and all my Crow being staked away and me not being able to take advantage of that last bull run. I'm not doing that again. Fool me once, shame on me, you know, but you ain't gonna get me again. Base Turbo is the other one I've been buying for the past 2 days. I've been buying this dip right here. I've been buying this on this dip right here. Uh, Sitting at oh, that's regular turbo. That's not the one I wanted. Regular turbo took a shitter too, man. Damn, that thing down. I should have been buying that dip. But base turbo, if I can find it on here. Same tickers. Base turbo is, you know, the other one. I've been kind of loading up on. I've been riding the dip down, and just buying a little bit here, a little bit there. As this dip starts to come in, right here at base turbo, sitting at 6.3 mil right now, right? So I bought this dip right here all the way down for the past couple days. It's kind of been DCA and down through here, and just gaining more tokens in my bag. Just kind of DCA down through here, just waiting for the turn, right? And we'll see what happens with this one. But I like this one. Like I said, I did buy some more Kiki this morning, you know, with the pullback. So over there on a Solana chain, bought some more of that. And so the three memes that I've been DCAing into is Base Turbo, Brian, Kiki, and I am probably going to start buying some more Base Toppy. That project seems to be hanging on. I'll probably be buying some more base copy, but that's it. That's all I'm buying. That's for as far as meme coins go. That's all I'm buying right now. That's all I'm DCAing down. I'm not buying anything else. I'm not looking to get into anything else until this market starts to turn around. I think that anybody that launches a token right now, in this type of market, like I'm not looking to get into any new launches. Anybody that launches a token in this market right now is they're just setting themselves up for disaster. Um, so we'll see how this thing unfolds. But any new real low market cap meme coins that are launching right now, they're just setting themselves up. So not buying into any of that. There's not enough money in this market to really put a big push on. Uh, you look at the market cap. Look at the market cap over here, sitting at $3.35 trillion, and you look at the total meme coin market cap. For all the memes, you look at, you come over here, and we're gonna look at the total market cap. I mean, this thing's taking a crap dive, right? This total volume, total market cap, sitting at what's that one, about 100, about 101, 101 billion. Things taking a crap dive. Volume's taking a crap dive. Anybody that launches right now, I mean, you're not. Where's your volume coming from? Where's your money coming from? Right? It's just not. It's not here right now. You know. Look at all that red. Look at all that red. When it comes to meme coins, look at that. Look at look at that bleed out in memes. Just it's an absolute bloodbath over there. So why would you why would you launch here? You know, uh, just would make zero sense. Yeah, I heard that, Somo. I heard the biggest thing that nobody's talking about when it comes to Trump's policy, and I don't know if it'll go through or if it won't go through, but we talked a little bit about it here on this channel at one point, when it first came out. Was he wants to make a zero tax on crypto for companies that are based here in the United States, right? So when you look at the United States based companies, you're looking at Ripple, XRP, Algorand, a couple of other ones. I'd have to dig my list out again of what cryptocurrency companies are based here in the United States, right? But if you can get a zero tax on companies that are based here in the United States for crypto, and you can say, okay, you're not going to pay any tax on your gains from there, then them are the ones that are going to be sitting up top. I believe ADA is a United States based company. I believe I had to pull that. I had a list. I had to pull it out, but I think Cardano. Uh, recession may be on the table, man. A lot of people are talking. You know, a lot of people are trying to skirt the recession topic, and I'm talking about around the world, right? United States, Canada, everywhere, right? The United, but here's the thing: there's going to be a choice that's going to be made, and a lot of countries are going to have to make this choice with this bond market the way that it is, because because the jobs data is so good, and the United States needs to sell its bonds, sell its debt to other countries, and other countries are in the same situation. So I'm only speaking about the United States because this is where I'm at, right? But other countries are in the same situation. They have to sell their debt, right? And other countries have to buy it. Doesn't look attractive to be buying other people's debt right now. So they have to drive the interest rates up to make it attractive for people to buy your debt, right? So countries are going to have a choice. They're either going to go into a recession or they're going to raise inflation higher, right? They're basically charging you more for everything so that they could stay out of a recession, right? Yeah, basically the common the two ways that they can avoid that's the only way that they can really avoid a recession. So I don't think that countries will go into a recession because I don't think that they're going to want to do that. I think what's going to happen is you're going to see a massive increase, bigger than what you have now, in the cost of living. I think that's going to be the option, and that's where we're headed. I think, and I don't think that there's anything that Trump can do about it. I don't think that there's anything that a lot of these other prime ministers can do about it, or anything, that any of these politicians can do about it. I just think that that's the financial crisis that we're in right now, and you're not going to fix it. You're not going to fix it. You're not going to fix it in 4 years. It's just not going to happen. Yo, Trump's got you, Timsky. You're about to be the 51st state. Canada's about to become part of the United States. Yeah, $9 for eggs. Wait until they go up to 10, Somo. It's gonna happen. I mean, it's the only way. Not only, what I'm saying, it's not only a United States problem. This is a world problem. They're gonna raise inflation to avoid recession. That's what's gonna happen. Uh, which is why you see the bond market going up. Yeah, I don't know. You guys are about to become the 51st state, Timsky. Welcome to the United States, brother. Yeah, Heat says, "What's up, Fairground? Fairground's in the building. Fairground's back, baby. Fairground's back. We back, baby. We back." They have to cut the bureaucracy. They do. There's way too much bureaucracy around the world, United States, Canada, everywhere. There's way too many layers of government. That's the problem. That's why you see the Doge Commission. How much will the Doge Commission accomplish? I don't know. Um, I don't know. Here in the United States, I have no idea. There's a lot of there's a lot of things that need to take place in order for them guys to be successful, and a lot of it is passing through Congress the things that they want done, and I don't know if they're going to pass. Uh, you know, it's not like you can just go in there and slash things, right? Things have to be voted on. Uh, and that's the bad part, and that's why we're in the situation that we're in, because you think about it from a perspective of how you budget, right? You sit around your table, you make your budget, you pay your bills, and whatever's left over, that's what you spend, right? The government, United States government or any other government, they don't care about a budget. They sit around the table, they spend what they want to spend, and they don't care whether it's over budget or under budget or whether they have any money left, because then they'll just print these treasury bonds and nobody wants to buy them. They'll raise the interest rates on them, and then if nobody still wants to buy them, the United States Treasury will buy them back, and they'll have to print money in order to buy them back, which will drive up inflation. And that's why I keep telling you guys inflation is going up, because nobody's buying this debt. And the United States is going to end up having to buy its own debt. And in order for it to buy its own debt, it's going to have to print more money in order to buy its own debt. We're talking trillions of dollars. And when you start printing trillions and trillions of dollars, you end up raising the cost, the dollar value goes down because you printed so much, which makes the price of everything else go up. My wife is American. Yeah, you told me that before, Timsky. So welcome to the 51st state. We too big to be one state, yo, man. 51, 52, 53. Call it what you want. Heat. They say you coming, man. They say you coming over, man. Yo, we may have to introduce Peter to Rocky. You ain't lying. Let's go, so boy, let's go. But all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right here, man. Gotta go, man. You guys have a great day. We'll be back at you guys on Friday. We'll be doing this again, guys. We'll be doing this again. So now you guys know what I'm buying. You guys know where I'm at. You guys see where the market is for me. You know, but it doesn't matter what I'm buying. It doesn't matter what I'm DCAing into. I'm telling you guys, the market itself does not look good today. It looks like it's going to pull back a little bit. So go ahead, tighten your bags up, DCA into a couple projects that you have some conviction in, DCA into a couple of meme projects, DCA into a couple of your top projects as well. Don't try to DCA into everything that you own, because you will just get wrecked trying to do that, and you'll never have enough of anything to make a difference. But if you just pick 2 or 3 of them and you start putting some money into them and DCAing down in, with every pullback, you'll end up with enough tokens to make a difference in your life. So with that, shorten them bags up, DCA in, and let's go. Let's do this thing. Ken, you have a great afternoon. My boys out there in Canada, you guys have a great morning like us. Let's get this morning started out right. Yo, my man Fairground over there, you have a great afternoon as well. Good to see you back in the stream. All the new people that came to join us today, thank you very much. Smash that like button on your way out. Smash that share button on your way out. If you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button on your way out of here, and we'll be back at you guys on Friday. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Be safe, be smart, go make some money. We out.